Let's say that you woke up at 8:30, but you realize that you have an important meeting at 9. However, with a lack of caffeine in your blood, you will never leave the meeting with the right sense. For modern people, coffee in morning rush is as important as masking pandemic. Would you rather A, be late but get your best coworker coffee, or B, give up your coffee but be on time? With Siren Order, you don't have to choose. You can get your coffee and still be right on time. Open the Starbucks app on your phone, order your coffee during your busy morning, dash to Starbucks and get your drink. And you just have to hurry back for the meeting. With few touches, you've avoided being late and inject caffeine that will help your day. And you just have experienced digital transformation. Siren Order is a form of ordering in which the customer selects an item and pays through the app Starbucks, then prepares the item at selected store. All progress can be checked in real time through the app. Siren Order is a successful example of DT, and many other companies are pushing for DT at rapid pace to overcome the intake increase to the pandemic. DT has advantage in economies as it allows work to be done more efficiently with less cost. Also, it has environment advantages. We can save fuels and electricity by telecommuting and reduce paper waste through digital payment. Consider this question: do you need the receipts? Most people respond, no, it's fine. The receipt goes right into the trash bin. According to Korean Ministry of Environment in 2020, 101 billion cases of paper receipts were lashed, and 60% of these were discarded immediately. This means on average 20,000 tons of paper receipts are being trashed a year. Every year, 31 billion sheets of paper is wasted, and the equivalent of 21,840 cars carbon dioxide are emitted in the process of manufacturing receipts. In total, the manufacturing and disposal of receipts produces 55,066 tons of carbon dioxide per year. But with the introduction of electronic receipts, it can save 1.6 billion liters of water and 330,000 trees each year. Starbucks, as a company that frequently takes the lead in environmental management, have first introduced electronic receipt services in 2016 December and saved about 17,000 rolls of paper receipts in 2 months. This is a length about 12,000 kilometers long enough to cover the distance between Busan to Seoul 3 times. Not only Starbucks, but many other companies are also offering electronic receipt services. Moreover, paper bills are now transforming to electronic bills. Korea Electric Power Corporation have converted 40% of paper bills to electronic bills from 2009 to 2016, which protected 14,000 trees per month and 168,000 trees per year. However, the prospect of DT isn't all bright.
Due to the digital transformation, many digital electronics have been produced in a short period of time, providing convenient services, but also environmental pollution-causing materials such as digital waste and electronic waste. Digital waste or electronic waste refers to various types of digital products, which includes televisions, washing machines, air conditioners, and cell phones that are discarded by users, and this amount is increasing exponentially. Harmful substances in the products have caused more serious environmental disasters than smoke, and problems continue to multiply. Developed countries such as the United States and Japan have shown environmental injustice in dumping digital waste in developing countries. Currently, used goods are an exception to harmful waste, which can be legally exported when reported to customs, so in some cases, digital waste is renamed as used goods in order to exploit these laws. For this reason, Agbogbloshi, Ghana became the largest electronic waste disposal area in Africa, with lead pollution generated during the dismantling process reaching 18,125 ppm, 45 times higher than the US limit of 440 ppm. On the other hand, there is also a digital carbon footprint problem that we often overlook because it is relatively invisible. Carbon footprint refers to the amount of greenhouse gas, including carbon dioxide, emitted in the production and consumption in goods or human activity. The term digital carbon footprint refers to the carbon generated when a digital device is used. When connecting to networks such as Wi-Fi and LTE through the digital devices, energy is consumed in the process of connecting to the server, and the data center uses a large amount of power to store and process information, which releases carbon dioxide. It uses 149 terawatt-hours annually, which is a similar amount used in Ireland per year, which has a population of about 5 million. As digital transformation causes severe damage to the environment, various steps are being taken to solve environmental problems.
To solve the digital waste problem, Japan is promoting industry that creates urban mines and uses metal from digital waste as recycling resources. In addition, Apple is using a recycling robot called Daisy, which can disassemble 200 devices per hour. Even retail stores are offering parts replacement and regeneration programs to help consumers return, recycle, and use digital products. Taiwan's electronic waste disposal company Super Dragon Technology and circular economy consulting firm Hinata Lab have studied how to reuse printed circuit waste and made artificial rubble that imitates the texture of granite by waste. Olympic medals were also made of digital waste. Almost 30% of the silver and bronze medals used at the 2016 Brazil Olympics were made of electronic waste donated by citizens. Echo Data Center in Sweden is the world's first climate-positive data center. Powered by 100% sustainable energy, the center has a power usage capability ratio of 1.15, showing how a data center can be both efficient and sustainable. And any heat produced is fed into the local district heating network. Also, there are many efforts to solve digital waste in Korea. Samsung Electronics has designated zero waste emission as its goal since 2018. They use wastewater residue generated in semiconductor production as raw materials. Through this, they obtain gold grade of zero waste landfill certification, and that means the percentage of them using waste generated at work as resources again is 95 to 99%. Organizations such as Korea Environmental Cooperation and the Korea East-West Power Cooperation are trying to reduce carbon footprints by raising public awareness of it. The 8 main measures in the campaign included the organizing of unnecessary emails and prevent the server overloading. It is said that digital transformation as a means to both improve company growth and the quality of individuals' life is the vanguard in breakthroughs for the future. Digital transformation cases such as Amazon's Just Walk Out, which is no lines, no registers, no checkouts, and Starbucks Are in Order and DT Pass, which can be paid by card number, are just examples that prove the success. These examples are permeating our daily lives and showing the progressive advantage of this technology. In relation to this, however, digital transformation amidst digital waste that causes environmental pollution. We need to keep reminding ourselves of environmental issues that are being neglected as more people benefit. If you want to continue to gain stable benefits such as productivity improvement, job creation, and economic growth through digital transformation, you should pay attention to environmental protection in order not to face difficulties later. If we are mindful of digital transformation's light and shade and will punish the dark part and maximize the bright part, our lives colored with digital transformation will be enriched. Thank you for listening.